Welcome to Invest with a Purpose. My name is LaRon Harris. I'm 20 years old and I've been investing in the markets for the past 3 years. Today I'm going to be revealing my top 3 stocks for this year. This one has the most potential of them all. This one has a whopping 212% return. I'm not going to waste any of your time. Let's get right into the top 3. The 3 stocks that I chose for this video are from 3 different sectors of the market. I chose 3 stocks from 3 different sectors because any good investor knows that you should be diversifying your portfolio. The reason why this is so important is because let's say that one of these 3 sectors aren't doing so well, hopefully the other 2 are, so that they can pick up the slack of the stock that's not doing so well. A prime example of this is how the tech sector has thrived throughout this pandemic, allowing companies like Zoom to grow over 700%, while other sectors like airlines and cruise lines have plummeted. This leads us right into our first category, being airlines. And the airline stock that I'm going to be using to get into this airline sector that has been so beat down is American Airlines. American Airlines is down a whopping $1.2 billion this year compared to last. This is equivalent to 1,029,159 brand new iPhone 12 Pro Maxes, including tax. Wow, that's a mouthful. I'm gonna take us over to my laptop so we can analyze exactly what's been going on. This is a screenshot of me analyzing charts on TD Ameritrade's free Thinkorswim platform. I can make a video in the future if you guys are interested in what it is and how to use it for your trading. If you're interested, leave me a comment below and I'll get that video out as soon as possible. If you're enjoying the content, please drop a like on the video as well. Anyways, back to the video. As you can see on your screen, I have 4 things circled. The price pre-COVID, the price at its lowest during COVID, and the price that the stock is at now. On this last slide, you can see that you have a potential 98.46% profit if it goes back to where it was pre-COVID. Let's hop right on over to number 2 on the list, being Carnival Cruise Line. Another thing that I mentioned before that has been really struggling throughout this pandemic. As you can see, at the start of the pandemic, it was at highs of $51.94. At the absolute lows of the pandemic, it was at $7.80. And right now it's rallied back to $20.40. This means that if you were to buy in right now and it went back up to where it was before COVID, you would have potential to make 154%. This is crazy. This is over double your money. And now number 3 on the list. Last but not least, US oil. As you can see, before COVID hit, it was at $106.56. At its lowest point, when COVID was at its peak, it was at $16.88. And now, it's recovered all the way to $34.11. This one has the most potential of them all. This one has a whopping 212% return if it is to recover all the way to where it was before. Feel free to go back and pause and jot down any notes that you think might be important for you. If you need to know the symbols and all those things, we're gonna recap all that right now, where you should buy, where you should sell, and how much profit you can make. But just in case you wanna do it yourself, feel free. Starting with American Airlines. If you were to start out at $15.52 and held it all the way till it recovered to how it was pre-COVID at $30.78, your potential profit would be 98.46%. That's pretty good. And yes, it's not going to be super fast, but this is investing, not trading. We'll have trading videos out very soon. At number 2, we've got Carnival Cruise Line. And this one's really, really crazy to me. This is one of the top cruise lines in the world, and we have an opportunity to get it at more than half off. I say it's a buy all the way. If you were to get in on this at $20.40, which it is at right now, and held it all the way until it rode back up to where it was pre-COVID, you would have a potential 154% gain. This is amazing. This is great. You can more than double your money with this. It's a no-brainer. And as I've said before, at number 3, we have US oil. This one has the most upside potential, and this one makes the most sense to me. It's basic economics. Being that oil is so low right now, due to the fact that travel has been at such a low demand. We have less demands in airlines because there's less flights going out. We have no demand from cruise lines, which is a huge thing when it comes to fuel demand. There's no fuel demand in that sector. Once those things start to recover and we start to see more flights and we start to see cruise lines going out again, it's just gonna happen. We're gonna see a rise in US oil because the demand is gonna go up. Right now the demand is down, therefore US oil is down. supply and demand. And Carnival Cruise Line is planning to reopen in March. Therefore, in March 21, we can expect to see that stock go skyrocket, and we can expect to see US oil go up some more because we'll see more demand. Well, that's all for today's video. I hope I was able to enlighten you guys and open your eyes to some things that I'm definitely gonna have my eyes on in 2021. If you like this video, please leave a like down below, leave a comment, and share this with a friend. I'm sure they would want to know how they can make over 100%. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.